So we managed to grab the last 7, and our pesticide bottle has become our greatest friend. So for those of you who are following our channel and crying the blues about the fact that I set fireworks off here in the woods, just stop it. I'm not in the mood. I'm about the most protective person of the environment, and hence the reason I don't like using pesticides. I like to grow organically, but I also don't like to get stung, so there's that. Anyway, yeah, we got our supplies. We need to clean it up a little bit, but what do you think, baby? So all those people out there in YouTube land, this is our rooster, Cluck Norris. He's just chilling, walking around the 4-wheeler. Yeah, he's a cool bird. What are you doing, little buddy? Alright, so this is the part about off-grid living we don't always talk about. We have rainwater collection, but when it doesn't rain, sometimes you gotta go get more agua. Water.
Agua.
Yeah. Which isn't a big deal. We have a local place we go to. It is actually a rest area. And I'm gonna have to check the trailer. But yeah. We just fill the tank up where they do the RV dumping at. So it's not bad. And Alejandra seems to love the trail. She's trying to drag me out there all the time. So she loves to use water. Lots and lots of water. Mucho agua.
No.
Sí. Yes. You don't agree?
Mucho agua.
Mucho agua. Right.
Mucho agua.
So we're hanging out here with the girls at the dump station at your local rest area. And basically, apologize. It's been a hell of a day. We have a water tank in the trailer, which we are filling with agua. And yeah.
Loca.
Loca. You're both loca.
Huh? Loca?
Yeah. Uno, dos, loca. Yeah. So that's us. And we're just here filling up the water. At like, I don't know, what is it? Midnight, 11 o'clock? This is just a fun evening out, hanging around the rest area. So, right down the road from where we are. This is sometimes what you do with the off-grid tank. So, we didn't drill a well yet. We do rainwater collection. Occasionally, it comes up a little short. It's a hot summer, people. We got the air conditioning running. We do the condensate collection, but unfortunately, we still have to occasionally supplement with off-grid water, or should I say on-grid water, depending on how you want to look at this. But yeah, so that's that. So the girls and I are out here picking up water tonight. It's fun. We are hanging out with Alejandra, who has no idea how to connect the fitting together to get the water to come out of the tank. But it's okay, because we're going to connect this hose to that hose, right? So, does she know what she's doing? No. But it's okay. Right, honey? You know what you're doing? You good?
Yes.
Okay, so, do the end of the hose. Which end of the, oh, there's the end of the hose. I got it. So we're going to connect that to that. So we went back into the old boneyard and grabbed ourselves some new material. Well, we cut it anyway. And we got the frame sitting up here. We're gonna lay this out and I think the way we're going to work this out is we're going to do a tie-par geotextile on the inside, and then I'm going to wrap underneath this exterior here with Galvalume so that the outside exposed portion underneath is protected by rust-resistant metal. And I was going to use this long piece of coil material, and I know you can't see it, but it is really thick, and I think it's just a whole bunch of extra weight we don't need. But this stuff's pretty tough. So that's the current state of affairs. I'm gonna keep on chugging along, and my sidekick is over here hanging out playing with TikTok.
Oh.
All right, everybody. So underneath the floor here, to protect it from the elements, I kind of decided I'm going to use some of this tie-par geotextile material. You can't rip it. You literally have to cut it with a knife. It's tougher than Tyvek. And it lets water out, and it kind of holds out moisture to a point. But if it did get wet under there, the water would be able to get out. So it's some pretty tough material. We have a big old couple $100 roll of it. So we're just gonna roll it across this thing. And then we're gonna take these framing members, these piles and piles of framing members, and set them on top and bolt them right through it. And hopefully be able to insulate in between those and build walls and do all that fun stuff. So that's our next step. All right, guys, so we made some good progress on some floor framing yesterday, but we also have a couple new additions to what is turning out to be basically a farm here. Buying toys, and treats, and all kinds of stuff. Anyway, so Alejandra's decided we're going to be farmers in this whole off-grid journey. So she is over here today hanging out with the rooster, planting strawberry seeds. It's okay. It's okay. So she found some pots and some topsoil I had out here, and she sliced off layers of the strawberries to basically plant the seeds. We're not going to get anything this year, but that'll be next year's, I guess, crop. And yeah, that's that. So she's hanging out here in the mess with the chickens, and who knows what else is out here, but yeah. So they just backed into a tree, smashing into stuff. I think you need to go file a claim. Whoa, not again. Stop, stop. You guys are crazy. Okay. Oh my God. You guys are gonna lose everything out of the back of this thing. You good? Don't run me over. All right, stop. Straighten the wheel. Yeah. Here, hold on. Okay. Now back up. Hold the wheel, don't move it, and just back up. Then you can go a long ways. There you go. Don't turn too sharp. Stop turning. Straight. Oh boy. Right into a stump. Okay, go forward. Don't hit anything. You good? Headlights would be nice so you can see where you're going. Honey. Lumina. Headlight. There you go. Okay. Dear God Almighty. Slowly. Ay. They're following the crazy Colombians down the driveway. She's still learning how to drive, folks, but definitely getting better, which is a good thing. So far, no damages. Only I managed to back the BMW into the F350 yesterday, but that's because I parked it somewhere I have never parked anything before. Uh-oh, we forgot the bunnies. No bueno.